Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2017 Chevy Trax LT in Nightfall Gray. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6257.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.